Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's Got This. Today we'll share some do-it-yourself home and auto tips. Let's dive in.
After filling the holes with wood filler, take your sander and sand it smooth. Again, making sure that no more water gets through those holes. It starts the same process I already had. After putting the screws in, I took some wood putty. I'm filling all the holes because I don't want any more moisture to get in there. Even some of these small imperfections I filled. This one I didn't. It looks fine. And then of course down here where I had to put multiple screws in. So then I'll sand this and then give it another top coat one more time, maybe 2 times, just because this is the top layer. Anyway, that's what it looks like. What do you think, Phoebe? Yeah. Okay, so sanded it all down. Everything feels good except for down here. I can feel some dimples. And you just barely see this is sucked in or dried in a little bit more than these other ones. So nobody would probably ever notice that, but I'm going to go ahead and refill that. Some more putty or wood filler. But this time when I do this, instead of using a small blade, I'm going to use the bigger blade. Just feather that bad boy out. It almost looked perfect. I keep getting that little hump right there. I'm leaving that alone right there. All right. That's perfect. We'll go ahead and let that dry. And then go from there.
Well, there you have it. Replaced, it looks nice, it's solid, shouldn't have any problems with it for years to come. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you so much. And hope somewhere helps. Well, that's it. All painted, replaced, everything's well. All right, that's it. Everything is painted, replaced, solid. It's good. Hope this helps. If it does, like and subscribe. Well, I hope this helped replace. Well, I hope this has helped somebody out there. Well, I hope this has helped. That's it. That's how you replace it. Paint it. Replace that's how you do it. Pretty simple. Pretty easy. It was easy because I had the template. But it's there to stay for a long, long time. If you like it, subscribe. Help. Thanks.